Baby delivered. This is the baby.
Baby is fine, breathing, crying, and the tone is also good. So I am going to place the baby over the mother's abdomen and start with the routine care. So the first step of is just drying the secretions from head to foot. And I am going to change the baby to the second towel, which is a dry linen. And the hat has to be covered. The head is a large surface area for the baby, so the head has to be covered with the hat, followed by suctioning of the mouth, followed by the nose. And this is if necessary. This step is if necessary we can do. Then cleaning the both eyes with the dry gauze, and the clamping of the cord has to be done. And the ID band has to be placed over this has to be placed. So almost 1 minute is over now, and now the baby's breathing fine, and the color of the baby is good, tone is fine, and heart rate is also good. So I am going to place a baby over the mother's abdomen in between the mother's breast with the head turned to one side. And the whole second towel can be used to cover the baby and the mother, and so thereby we are maintaining the skin to skin contact with the baby. As soon as the baby is the mother is ready, you can start breastfeeding at any point of time, and vitals are all stable now. So this finishes the routine care of the baby.
Delivered, not crying. Doctor, can you please cut the cord and
Yes sir, sure.
Mother is being delivered on mother abdomen. We are going to cut the cord, not waiting for delayed cord clamp, as the baby is not breathing. So we are going to take the baby to the warmer. I am going to keep the baby under the warmer for warmth, and I am going to, as the baby not breathing, this baby needs initial steps of resuscitation. As we know, the initial steps of resuscitations are the mnemonic PSSR: positioning, suctioning the baby, mouth first, then nose, stimulating the baby by drying and removing the wet linen. Can you please change the linen, please? As we change the position and change the linen, we are again going to keep the baby in the reposition to assess for the breathing and also to make the airway pattern. After finishing PSSR, we would like to see for is the baby breathing or not. Here baby is not breathing, so I would like to start positive ventilation. Can you, Dr. Prabha, please help me in counting heartbeat, please? Can someone attach pulse oximeter, please? Breathe 2, 3. I am going to give the mask over the chin and covering mouth and nose. Starting breathing. Breathe 2, 3. 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 Breathe 2. So as the heart rate is improving and chest is rising, I am going to continue my bag and mask ventilation for 30 seconds. Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. 30 seconds finished. Can you check my heart rate, please? Baby's heart rate. Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3.
120, sir.
Breathe 2. So heart rate is above 100, so there is no need for the bag and mask ventilation. But I would like to see for the spontaneous breathing effort. The baby breathing, yes, baby started to breathe. So I would like to wean out the ventilation slowly. So breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can I see for spontaneous breathing? Yes, baby is breathing spontaneously. So I would like to stop and wean the positive ventilation. And now this baby, I would like to send this baby for observational care along with the mother side for 4 to 6 hours. Sister, please evaluate the baby for all vitals like respiratory rate, saturation and heart rate every 15 minutes once.
Okay, sir.
This completes the initial steps followed by observational care. Thank you. Baby delivered. baby not breathing. Doctor, can you cut the cord and give me as the baby not breathing? Mother, I'm going to tell the mother that baby not breathing. Baby needs some help for breathing. So we are going to cut the cord and take the baby to the warmer. So I am taking the baby to the warmer. I am keeping the baby under the warmer for providing warmth. I am going to position the baby in sleeping position using shoulder roll. I am suctioning the baby to clear the airway. Suctioning the mouth first and then nose. Stimulating the baby for making the baby cry. Removing the wet linen. Can you please change the linen for me? As we are changing the linen, I am going to reposition the baby again for observing for breathing efforts. As there are no breathing efforts, I would like to start bag and mask ventilation. Can you please give me ambu bag?
Yes, sir.
I am going to fix ambu bag on the. Can you somebody help me in counting the heart rate, please? I'll keep the ambu bag. Can you put the pulse oximeter, please? Over the chin,
Saturation
covering the
probe
mouth
connected
and
in the
nose.
right hand, sir.
I'll start my ambu bag. Breathe in, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2,
Not
3.
improving.
Chest is not improving. So I have to do my ventilation corrective steps, which are already mentioned as MR SOPA. The M is for mask reapplication. So I am going to reapply mask and by putting 2 fingers above the base and try to push down to avoid leak by keeping proper seal, lifting the jaw forward and then trying to back the baby. Breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3. Chest is not rising. So I would like to say next step, which is repositioning the head, suctioning the mouth and nose, slightly opening the mouth, reapplying mask again and start breathing. Breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3. Chest is not rising. So I would like to go for increasing pressure. So I am going to start my breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3. Now chest is coming. So I would like to continue from this time for the next 30 seconds. I continue my ambu bag ventilation without disturbing my seal. Breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3. 30 seconds completed. Dr. Prabha, can you auscultate for the heart rate? Breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3.
80.
Breathe 2, 3,
130.
breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3. So we continue as 80. It was 80, sir?
80.
80. So it's 80. 80 actually, like you need to continue for another one cycle. Breathe 2, 3, 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 breathe 2, 3. So what? Half 30 seconds finished. What is my heart rate?
130.
Breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3. As the heart rate improved above 100, I would like to look for baby having spontaneous breathing. Is the baby started to breathe? Yes, baby is having breathing. So I would like to again wean off my ventilation. So breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe 2, 3. So as the baby is able to overtake respiration, I would like to wean off slowly and I would like to stop my ambu bag. Look for spontaneous breathing. So baby is spontaneously breathing well. Heart rate is good, 130, around 40. So I would like this baby to be shifted to mother's side for observational care, to be kept along with the mother for 4 to 5 hours. Sister, can you check for vitals of this baby, heart rate, respiration, and saturations for another 4 to 5 hours. Every 15 minutes once you have to document this. So this completes our MR SOPA step, going baby for post observational care. Observational care.